Once again, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to share about Excel, Microsoft Excel. This is a software used to organize, calculate, analyze, or visualize the data we have. And in Excel, it is used in various ways. So before I go forward, I'll allow me take you through how to open Excel. So you come to search box, you type in Excel, it will provide you that information. You double click, it will give you the page. So it is asking you whether you want a blank workbook. So you double click, it gives you a double the workbook. So this is how our Microsoft Excel look like. It has many boxes, it has very many other things, and this Microsoft, it makes our lives simple in statistics, in calculating formulas, in analyzing data, in whatever we want to use to analyze our data, process our data. So an Excel file is called a workbook. The whole of this one is called a workbook. It is a book we are using. It is a page. So it is a book we are using. So this one is a sheet. A sheet is like a page. If that sheet gets finished, maybe you click for another for another item. You open, we come and double click in the plus down there in the plus sign. It adds you another sheet. If that one you want maybe another information on a fresh page or a fresh work on a fresh sheet, you double click on the plus. It will add you. It will give you. If you keep on what adding the worksheet. So in Excel, Excel has very many boxes running downward and running horizontally. So the downward are called the columns and is named from A, B, C, D up to infinity. Then the ones running horizontally, they are called rows. The rows are numbered from 1 to infinity, and they are used for different for one purpose. So one box like the way I have clicked, this is called a cell. A cell is a combination of a row and column. So in this box where the cursor is blinking, it is a A1. A1 means in column 1, row 1. If you come to the next one, it will be B1. So in case of anything, the reference will be A1, B1, or A2 or 3. So it will be very easy for the formula for calculations. So Excel still has very many other functions like it has the formula function. Here you can have any information. Maybe you want the summation. Let's click on the function. Let's click on the function. So if we click on the function, it gives you very many information. Maybe you want the summation of the figures you want. Maybe you want the average, you want the maximum, the minimum, you want sum of, it has very many formulas which we use in our daily work. So it has the functional key. This one is for inserting the formula in our work we are doing. It has also, maybe you have finished entering the data, processing the data, but you want still analyze. It has the charts, it has the pie charts, here is the table. So this one, they are used in analyzing our data we have inputted in our computer for utilization and dissemination. So it has the charts, it has formulas. So for example, I can input some of the information. For example, let me give the information about my home monthly consumption. So our heading, maybe my heading, home, home, monthly, monthly, or monthly consumption, or monthly consumption. Then in what do I need in my monthly consumption, which means I'll have the items which I consume on either daily or monthly. So maybe the first box I put maybe serial number, serial number. The second box maybe I put item. Let me use the external keyboard. This one is not working. The second box is the item. The third box, maybe I put unit quantity. I put quantity. The next box, maybe I put unit cost. Unit cost. Unit cost. Unit cost. The next one, maybe I put cost for the item. Cost for the item. Then my first, maybe the serial number, the first thing I need, I like so much for sure. Maybe I say flour. What do I need again? My next item, maybe I need sugar. No, sugar is one of the item we consume so much in our homes. Maybe beans as a source, which has a simplest carbohydrates. You get the simplest proteins. Maybe I need what else and do I need? I need fuel, charcoal, or let me say fuel. I need fuel. And so on, because I have very many things I need, but I've just given the example of those three. So what are the quantity? How much do I consume? Beans, maybe flour, I need maybe 20 kilos. I need the sugar 30 kilos. I need the beans maybe 10. I need the fuel maybe 2 bags. But I also need the total cost. So below the item, I can also put total cost. So what is the unity cost? Maybe flour is 2,000 per kilo. Sugar maybe 3,000 per kilo. Maybe beans is 2,000 per kilo, 2,000 shillings per kilo, and charcoal 100, 110. No, why charcoal is very expensive, 110 per kilo. So what is the cost? So here I will input my formula. Instead of calculating row by row, I input the formula for the first item, then in the others it will give me. So the formula, I put the equals, I click in the cell of the cost, total cost for item. I put equal sign. I click on the box of quantity. Set has given me C3. It means it is in column 3 and column C, cell 3. So it is a multiplication, unity cost, you get the quantity times the unity cost to get the total cost. So as I click in that box of quantity, I multiply. So I need a multiplication plus. Then I click on the unit cost for the item. So it has given me D3, which means that is the sale for the quantity. Then I enter. It has given me the total amount for the item. So if I want to scroll down to get for the total item for the cost for each item, I put the cursor in the bottom left corner. It indicates the plus. I scroll down up to this column of charcoal. So it has given me all the totals for those items. So I want overall total. Overall total. I want total cost for all those items. Total cost. Total cost. I can put here. You put here in that cell of cost. You put equal sign. You click on the first item. They are given you E3. So it means that is the first item E3. So you add, because total cost we are keeping on adding for item. You put the add sugar. You add sugar. You add the beans. You add beans. Then you add the beans. You add the beans. You add the beans. Add the beans. Then you add fuel. Add the fuel and enter. It has given us the total cost. So this is how our Excel sheet works. It has formulas. So there's no need of adding for every item. Maybe I need annual, the overall budget for the whole year. You know, that is the monthly consumption total for the month. Then what about every month for the whole year? So maybe if I add the annual total for every item, I can click here. Maybe annual expenditure. Annual expenditure. So still, you know, the year has 12 months. So I will just get this, maybe times 12. So I can click here. I can click in this formula, put annual expenditure. I put equal sign. I put equal sign. I click on the cost for every item. Then times 12 months. Then enter. It has given me the cost for every item. So I click to get for every month up to for every item. So for every item up to the total. So it has given us how much we spend on an annual basis. Thank you very much for listening to me. Please continue liking, sharing, and subscribing, and keep on tuning for more lessons. Thank you.